Let's clarify the two main ways to connect your Spectrum modem to your Orbi router: bridge mode and access point AP mode. In bridge mode, your Spectrum modem essentially becomes a simple signal converter, passing the internet connection directly to your Orbi router. The Orbi then handles all the networking tasks like assigning IP addresses and managing your Wi-Fi network. This is generally the preferred method as it avoids double NAT, which can cause issues with things like port forwarding and online gaming. In AP mode, the Spectrum modem continues to function as a router, and the Orbi acts as an extension of your existing network. While simpler to set up initially, this can lead to double NAT problems. For most users aiming for optimal performance and a seamless mesh Wi-Fi experience, bridge mode is the way to go. We will be focusing on bridge mode setup, but be aware that AP mode is another option. First, connect your Spectrum modem to the cable outlet and power it on. Once it's online, access the modem's admin panel through a web browser at 192.168.100.1. Look for bridge mode under Advanced Settings and enable it. Connect an Ethernet cable from modem's LAN port to Orbi's WAN port. Power on the Orbi router. Download the Netgear Orbi app and follow instructions to set up your network.